when we're in the home, what are we missing? I think so many times we get some blinders on, but if you train your techs and you have a system in place that gets them looking for different problems that could be there, or better yet, sometimes we just listen to the homeowner. They'll tell us many times what kind of issues they may have, and then maybe doing some little bit of testing, using static pressure testing, or maybe an anemometer. In many cases we can bring something up that we have found for the homeowner. If you start doing this in your business, what you find out is that the maintenance agreement actually is a great way to fill in those slow times of the year. I guess I get frustrated when I hear a contractor say something along the lines of, gosh, it's been slow for the last 5 months. I'm really hoping that we get a hot spring or we get a cold winter. When I hear a contractor say that, I literally want to say, you know what, you probably chose to be that way because you didn't take advantage of the times that we were in homes. So if you have a system in place that can get techs to do this for you, you'll find you'll be busy all year round. And that's what I love about the maintenance agreement.